One tweet moved the entire U.S. stock market today. To be fair, it's still down, but it's down less than it was going to be. 10:21 a.m., Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum tweeted, "Had a good conversation with President Trump. The United States will pause tariffs for 1 month. In exchange, Mexico will immediately reinforce the border with 10,000 members of the National Guard." Mexico was set to get hit with 25% tariffs today, and stocks all around the world started tumbling overnight. And whether you think this was Trump caving to Mexico in order to blunt the impacts of the market, or this was Mexico caving to Trump, either way, the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ all started reversing losses in the session. God, we are in for 4 years of this. Economists from Morgan Stanley are warning that Trump tariffs could force inflation higher and could force growth lower. And despite relieving at least a bit of pressure with Mexico, some of the most important names in the S&P 500, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Broadcom, they are all down today in a big way, pulling the market down with them. All because 10% tariffs on China are still in effect. And some of the biggest Canadian companies, Royal Bank of Canada, Shopify, TD Bank, they are all also down. Even aside from all of this, it's just another insane week on Wall Street. We got earnings from Amazon, Google, Palantir, Treasury refunding announcements, which is wonky, but is important to how the government expects to finance its expenses. And we got the January jobs report on Friday. They're all huge catalysts. Plus, also just, check Twitter, I guess.